My name is Archie with Coachmen RV. I'm here at the Northern Idaho RV show at the Kootenai County Fair Grounds with Bobby Combs RV. Here I am sitting here with the 252 RBS. It's a great couples trailer. You do great features about it. You're under 30 feet. You're under 6,000 pounds. So perfect for a half-ton tow vehicle. Some of the features we have here. New colors for 2024. So we've gone to the lighter wood cabinets. We have new furniture as well in the theater seating. We have a nice dinette off to the side over here. Fireplace right beside the dinette. Separation, you have your separate bedroom. Big bathroom towards the back, not just a corner bathroom. Camp kitchen, a lot of great extras. Asdale sidewalls, which is a big difference in most of the travel trailers out here. We do have some 23s left, but come check us out. I'll be here at the Jacqueline building. Any questions? I'll be here until 5 o'clock. Thank you.